Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a transparent chat overlay to OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to streamlabs.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log into your Twitch account. This step is important because it links your chat directly to your streaming setup, allowing OBS to display your Twitch chat in real time. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Dashboard. This will take you to your Streamlabs control panel, where you can access all the customization tools. Now, in the left sidebar, look for and click on Chat Box. This is where you'll configure how your chat appears on stream. Next, navigate to the Platform section and make sure to check the box beside Twitch. This ensures that your Twitch chat is the one being displayed through the overlay. Below that, you'll see a style option with a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on it and select your preferred style from the list. Each style has a different look and feel, so choose one that matches your stream's aesthetic. If you want to customize your chat even further, scroll down until you find the chat notification section. Here you'll see options for sound volume, and trigger threshold. You can adjust the sliders if you want to enable sound alerts when chat messages appear. This adds an extra layer of interactivity to your stream. Once you're satisfied with your settings, go to the top of the page and click to copy widget URL. A prompt will appear, so select copy to save the URL to your clipboard. This URL is what OBS will use to display your chat overlay. Now, open your OBS application. In the bottom left corner, navigate to Sources and click the plus icon. From the menu that appears, select Browser, then click OK. A new window will open with an existing URL in the field. Delete that URL and paste the browser source URL you copied earlier from Streamlabs. Click OK to confirm. At this point, the chat overlay might not be visible yet, so you'll need to test it to make sure everything is working. Go back to your web browser and head over to Twitch. In the upper right corner, click on your profile icon and select Create a Dashboard. In the left panel, click Stream Manager. On the right side of the screen, navigate to My Chat and type any message in the chat window. Finally, return to your OBS to see if the chat appears in the browser source you just added. If everything is set up correctly, you should see your test message displayed in the overlay. And that's it! You've successfully added a transparent chat to OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.